Yeah, this my boy Stumpjumper right here. Most of the parts are stock besides the spoke skins, pedals, and the grips. But this shit is fresh. Matte black with a turquoise down tube label. Woof! Fresh, I know. Same size as mine's, large. The same size. Yeah. Full suspension. Stumpjumper, same size. Race face pedals. 29-inch wheels. 3.0 tires, maxes. Chronicles. If y'all want to know where to get them from, y'all ask Maxis. These are Chronicles right here. Alright, grips. Somebody asked me about the grips. These are ODI grips. Alright? These are ODI grips. Stock brake levers. Textros. The bars are cord to Rux. They are 780 mil wide, long. Alright? This light right here, you can get it on a specialized website. Alright? These are really bright at night. They work. They work for me. Alright. Yeah. This right here, monkey nuts. It's a face fender. You know what I'm saying? Basically, I got this bike set up for my kind of style, you know what I'm saying? Like, down here is a cheat code I'm gonna show y'all right here, but not really. It's just to rise like the front end of your bike a few notches. See, like right here, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. 4 spaces up there, nothing up there. It rides a little better. I changed it the other day. Somebody told me about that. But yeah, man. There I have it. A few decals. Shout out to Fox. Monster Energy. You know the vibes. Yeehaw! Alright, y'all. You know the vibes. Shred hard. Don't forget your helmet. Ride safe, y'all. Alright, I'm about to go finish up these trails in here.